In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to submit a Lidl job application online. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the official Lidl Careers website for your country. Browse your available job openings or use the search tool to find a position that matches your skills, experience, and preferred location. Click on the job title to read the full description, including the responsibilities, qualifications, and requirements. Once you have found a suitable role, click the Apply button. Sign in to your existing Lidl Careers account or create a new account if you're applying for the first time. Complete the online application form by entering your personal details, employment history, education, and availability. Upload your CV or resume along with any additional documents requested, such as a cover letter or certificates. Review all the information you have entered to make sure it's accurate and complete. Click Submit to send your application to Lidl's recruitment team. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation email. If your application is shortlisted, Lidl will contact you with next steps, which may include an interview or additional assessments. Before submitting your application, make sure your CV is up to date and highlights the experience and skills that are most relevant to the role you are applying for. And that's it. This way you can easily submit a Lidl job application online. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.